ban penek pensa ya kariti ka dustur kilong shwa manshwa laha kaniam karukom kakup kapong kabam kadi kashat karwai jong ki jaj benru karbi ki basong ki basa hapo ka jala Meghalaya kumbanya teli haka imsok imsan harengkat bat ki karbi ki basong basa haka jala Assam nakaliang ka All Meghalaya Karbi Association lane ka AMKA haka jinglam u President uba Robert Jun Ronghang u General Secretary uba Bistokan Tumong lem bat kiwe ki nongkit kam kala Pynkut ya ka 51st Annual Conference haka arp khandai terik u rempang arjar arpendriu ya ka bala penlong haka snong tamul kuchi berni hatri boy district kabahap hapo ka jirang constituency hakane ka program ka bashisin shisnam jong kane ka association labu ya kidukan di jungbam kidukan di kiriam kikup tenrai jong ki karbi katem kaput kashat karwai lembat kiwe de ya kane ka program lawan bansaki kumu kongsan da uba sustenance sotun ubalong UMLA jong ka jirang constituency nangta uba Meral Bonsim ubalong UMLA jong ka nongpo constituency uba Celestine Lengdo UMLA ka umsning constituency ka kongrona khomdait ka badai ka MDC jong ka nongpo constituency badru lawan bansaki da uba BB Makdo usim karaj marwat u Hamsing Be u badai u President ka Karbi Cultural Society Dipo u Soria Rongpar u badai u EM ka Arts and Cultural ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council lembat kiwe de kiru rongba kibla shakhot sobha
Kajingdon Jong ka association lagalong nagabenta ki Karbi community lade lagalong nagabenta kino ki communities kan penlong lade kan pentesong ya ka jingeteli ya ka jingejang but Bunsin habangi pai ya ki jingja ki balai hujat aki babun ki jaga ngi ya kano ka incidents lane ka jingja haka jingya pher jat benriu kadai bunsin naka jingya sotu bakla misleading, letting misinterpret by some vested interest. But Kumu local MLA Nagadeka constituency Jirang Kabi Kijongi Agaba represent ye kibapun ba ki communities kumba khanar ligi kharwei khanar tam ki communities but ki Karbi communities haka constituency kejungi ngidon kumba khanar ligi shnong ngidon bun ba ki purlok kirama shnong ki sketch shnong belawan keleng but haka jinge kendu haka jinge keren bat ki bunsin kirang basnong Lani kinong song naki snong Karbi Kijupen snowing ba teng nakajing sayalam bakla teng kipat pa kipoy hakajing soper ya kajing long kajing soper but ya kajang ini kijing soper jat benriu pun sin kadai naka jing sayalam bakla te hagane keski kum keski kaba inhabu kum ka dak ban beruspa ya ka tin ka thli ya ka riti ka dustur bat hag jugo por ban beruspa hag jinge dei dakaba burong markelya daga jinge ban habang iya daga lenti jong jinge habang idon ya ga jinge sultu jumut bunsin ka shnong ka khau kan kiusen lada idon ya ga jinge teli.
We understand the bonding between our brothers and sisters in Karbi and Meghalaya, bordering the district of Ribhoi district, West Giant Hill district. The stories which has been narrated by our forefathers, the bonding that has been existed till today, in which I must on record that the love and affection and the relationship that we have, it is commendable, except few instances here and there untoward incident happening in and around our borders. I'll come into that in the later part of my speech. But let us focus on the very important agenda that has been brought through the topic which talk about the preserve of culture, language and identity. Recently, Dangshen, the Khasihil Autonomous District Council, Kladep Panpas, Yagawi Niki An, Kibakongsan, Hadu kata-kata. Kabakren Shapang, Kejing tek song ya kisnong, kejing tek song ya giriti kidustur, kebangidon hapo kane kari kabi kejungi. Awe ni kian kibakongsan hadu kata-kata, ya kibalawara nakaliang Jong Khashil Autonomous District Council, kabangitip kum Khashil Autonomous Administration of Ilaka Amendment Act Arja Arpulai. Ya Kepala PAS dan District Council hak arpusan terik September arga arpulai. Layo bijing menjur na ulat hak sau terik Oktober arga arpusau. But la penmi hapo gazet jong gajela jong ga sorkar hak kendai terik Oktober arga arpusau.
I urge AMKA, whenever there is skirmishes in the border between our Karbi friends from Karbi Anglong and Jaintia friends from Meghalaya, as nicely mentioned by our Honorable MAC, EM, Mr. Surya. Everywhere you go, there are always few vested interested people who create all the drama and confusion among the different tribes. But an association like AMKA, this is where your role comes. You have to take responsibility to enlighten. For many years, even before the independence of India, we have been living as brothers and sisters in peace and harmony. So we want to continue that lifestyle even in the years to come. In my own constituency, in Umsning, you'll be surprised to know I have 7 big villages of the Karbi friends. 7 big villages. And if I tell you, on a scale of 0 to 10, how friendly those villages are, they are all above 6. I will not tell the maximum. They are all above 6, very friendly, cooperative, and we get along very well. The fact that I come here today to witness your annual conference, that itself indicates the love and friendship that I share with my friends in the Karbi villages.
This milestone, making over 5 decades of dedication to preserving Karbi identity, culture and heritage, is a testament to the unwavering commitment of AMKA and all the members. Reflecting on the journey of AMKA, we must first pay homage to the visionary leaders who laid its foundation. From the early days, figures like Chico Timong, Joy Tado and others, who have been instrumental in fostering a sense of belonging among the Karbi people in Meghalaya. Your association, the AMKA Association, has not only united communities across districts like our Rimoy district, but also has played a pivotal role in Meghalaya broader history, including contributions to the statehood movement. The recent, last year, Golden Jubilee celebration we have held in Purdua, Ryngkat, were a vibrant reminder of this legacy, where we saw communities come from across the state and from our neighboring state, Assam. You come away with cultural performance, discussions, and a shared vision of our future.